Welcome to Quiztopia! We have a science quiz for you today. Test your knowledge on the future of metalworking, robotic incremental sheet forming. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiztopia channel for more fun and exciting brain quizzes. Let's go! RISF stand for what? Answer: robotic incremental sheet forming. What is incremental sheet forming? Answer: incremental sheet forming is a sheet metal forming technique where a sheet is formed into the final workpiece by a series of small incremental deformations. What shape tool does incremental sheet forming use? Answer: a hemispherical head tool. The hemispherical head tool is mounted to what type of machine? Answer: CNC machine. RISF skips the step of having to what? Answer: it skips the step of creating a mold in the machining process. What type force does RISF use? Answer: applied force. What does the term break mean? Answer: sheet metal bending. What is an end effector? Answer: an end effector is a peripheral device that attaches to a robot's wrist, allowing the robot to interact with its task. Dynamic load refers to what? Answer: one that changes in direction, position, and magnitude, creating varied forces on a structure. What types of metals work best in incremental sheet forming? Answer: steel, aluminum, copper, brass, titanium, magnesium, and platinum. If you're looking for more brain testing time killers, head over to our playlist right here and test your brain today.